Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have jack connection for the mic to mixer, mic to speaker, mic to any 3.5 mm to 6.35 mm jack. So how can you connect the wire? Today I'll show you. First I have to open jack and put inside with this plastic wire, and this one for here, and also another jack I open and put another side wire and put this plastic also inside. And now I will open this wire and I got inside the three cables. This is one, this golden color, this is the negative ground. So guys, you can see inside have two wire also. So I will cut this two wire and I will connect this two wire, the separate part. Okay guys, now I have to wire connect, and you can see the 3.5 mm have two jack port and one here is the ground. So for two the jack, that is the studio, and we have to connect our white and red cable there. So you put any side, red and white, no problem. So I will connect here, and this is another side. Okay, and now I have to put this wire inside because do not come out, and I make push this one plastic. Okay, and now I connect the ground cable from back side. I solder. Okay, and now I return back this plastic and return back this. All the 3.5 mm jack is same model. So now is 6.35 mm jack I will connect. So I cut this wire in the back side. Okay, I remove this wire coil, you can see inside. So I clean, I put it inside, and now I will cut this cotton. You have to clean this cotton very well. Do not make the short with another cable. Okay, you have to put it separated. Now I cut this cotton and open this wire, this two, and I connect together this two. This two is positive because this 6.5 mm jack no have studio, only the mono. So I just connect here some solder. And put the wire inside and make some soldering here. Now I have to make wire like this, and backside I have to soldering this wire. And this is very strong, good quality cable. It's made in India. You can find another companies. So now our cable is ready, so we'll put inside this plastic and return back this steel, and this wire working perfectly now. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon for new notification.